Good morning. Welcome to my first Islamabad vlog, not travel video or hotel review. It is now 6:41 a.m. I woke up at 3:45, 45 minutes earlier than I was supposed to, but I was so excited for today that I just couldn't fall back asleep. So we are en route right now to Taxila, well, to the Taxila Museum, which is a UNESCO site here in Pakistan, about 1 hour outside of Islamabad. I applied and was given a special permit to fly my drone at sunrise at Taxila. It was built in BC, so it is just amazingly old. It looks beautiful. We're gonna have such a ball. But getting here has been an interesting challenge. Oh, hey guys, wait, you have to, whoa! You need to meet Vishan.
Hello.
All right, he owns Explore My PK, and he is my travel partner for Lahore. But the travel partner I was supposed to have for Islamabad was supposed to be doing this trip with me that we're doing right now 2 days ago, and they didn't show up in time. They were an hour late, and sunrise is sunrise. There's no 2 in 1 day. Zishan, I messaged him and told him what happened and that this other tour company had completely screwed up my day. And he's like, don't worry about it. I'm gonna drive out and we'll go together. So he drove from around 2 a.m. this morning. He's come, and now he is my Islamabad tour company as well. So we are going with Explore My PK to Tax. Oh, wait, hold on. Check this out. But we've been going through the city of Taxila, which I didn't realize there would be a city. I thought Taxila was the name of the UNESCO site. So it's just been wonderful. There's donkeys and dogs everywhere, and people are so kind. We've asked for directions, no joke, like 25 freaking times. So yeah, how much further you think?
Only 3 to 4 kilometers maximum.
Yeah, that's what we said like 10 kilometers ago. Okay guys, wow, it's Muradu.
Yeah.
Wait, say it again.
Muradu.
Muradu? Pakistan, I'm really sorry for that. But it's this beautiful site that hugs a river. There's a lovely village, and we were invited to have some tea, but in all honesty, it was up a hillside, over and down again, and I think it's just too early, and we've only had one coffee at about 5 a.m. But thank you to the family that invited us for tea. But this is beautiful. There's a couple of sites here, and we were able to fly the drone. Again, I don't think we're supposed to, but no one's watching. And you can see the intricacy of the architecture, and it's just wonderful. I think walking around that site would have been quite nice. It's just not open yet. Hey guys, just finished flying the drone, but look, I got friends. Yay! Keep using my phone for the drone, so I haven't been able to really do this outside. But we're at another site here in Taxila. This is Piplian. There is a UNESCO protected site here. And then there's also a a cemetery here that is at the base of this mountainside with the village, and it's just lovely. I'm having such a fun time. Such a different time to what I thought we were going to have today, because I honestly thought that Taxila was one location, but it had to have been this sprawling metropolis because there is so much history left behind, and it's spread out in such an expansive way. It's just wonderful. This is a must when you're visiting Islamabad for sure. We have tea and there's a whole lot being said. I'm not sure what it is. Hey guys, okay, we've arrived to AULIAN, which is the last site here in Taxila that we'll be visiting. The tea and snacks were perfect. I'm recharged. Used a squatty toilet for the first time in years. It really has, I can't even remember the last time I've done that. So that was, yeah, I lost a lot of lower leg strength in recent years, I've realized. But let's go to AULIAN. Yeah, so Zishan just pointed out that I said the name like completely wrong. It's AULIAN. AULIAN? AULIAN. AULIAN.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds a little French to me, so I'm just going to say it that way. But again, Pakistan, I'm sorry for butchering the names here. I'm having so much fun. Okay guys, I am more out of shape than what I am proud to admit. We're about halfway right now up to AULIAN. AULIAN?
AULIAN, yeah.
AULIAN, okay. My heart, like I can feel my heart beating out of my chest. I'm so out of shape. Okay guys, we're about halfway through the tour up here at AULIAN. AULIAN? Did I say it right? Yeah. And it's really amazing having a local guide to walk you through, because he's going through the history of the different areas. He knows the statues, he knows the inscriptions and the dates of everything. I would not come up here without getting a local guide. So he knew things even Zishan didn't, so just no shade that way, but definitely. And it's just beautiful what they've retained here, and what they haven't retained here, they've moved to the Taxila Museum, so that would definitely be worth a visit as well. Okay, we're walking into the second part now. Wow. So
this area and around here, these are 29 rooms. British researched this building before, double story, but destroyed in 5th century AD by
tour. It has been such a good time. My voice, sorry, very early wake up today, but definitely get a local guide when you're here. That made all the difference. So it's 246 stairs up to the top there that I really complained and I wasn't sure about. I was hoping maybe to just fly the drone, which wasn't allowed because there's government facilities nearby, but that was so well worth it. I took a few mini breaks. I highly suggest that unless you're very fit, but definitely go up to the top of Julian. It's beautiful.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing.
Well, as you can see, we have left the beautiful historic areas and UNESCO sites of Taxila. We are now in Khanpur. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
Yes! I practiced a little bit. And look at how gorgeous this lake is. But to come out, oh my gosh, there's cows. But to come out and to just capture the beauty and maybe have a picnic here, I think this would be perfect. I'm gonna fly the drone right now. Apparently that's okay and I'm not gonna get in trouble. So let's see what that looks like, guys.
Call me up in a minute. Call me up, set me straight. Pickpocket my eye socket. There's no time to be prude. I let you kidnap my tongue in. I let you measure my waist and intense fire will take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh.
Well, we're at the beautiful Faisal Mosque and I have just flown the drone. I'm hoping that it shows just how beautiful this is. Faisal Mosque is a collaboration project between the Saudi Arabia government and Pakistan, completely funded by the Saudis and named after named after King Faisal. It's a beautiful mosque. I'm not going inside. I'm still a little bit unsure about, as a woman, what I can and can't do. It would be really helpful to go with another woman and kind of understand what I can and can't do, and for her to show me around and guide me. I may have to get up to that in Lahore. Can I get up to that in Lahore, Zishan? You have a friend? Okay, I'm going to do that in Lahore. That will be quite nice and I can share a video because I think a lot of us who are non-Muslim aren't, it's a little intimidating because of the protocols and there are rules in place that are different to other religions. So it's a good idea for the next one.
Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.
The entry is $2.50 for foreigners and $20 for locals. It's quite a big difference, but it's like that everywhere with national sites like this. And this, oh, I've heard the view is magnificent. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Magnificent from here. So we'll go check that out now too. Okay, and Zishan just pointed out that where we'll be having dinner tonight at the MONAL restaurant is on this hilltop here. And the way to access it is a winding but picturesque road. So I'll share all of that with you. I'll try to do a time lapse of some of the road because he says it's pretty crazy. Okay guys, well that was it for the sightseeing for today. Now I was supposed to have done this, like I said, Zishan came and saved me because the original tour company completely let me down. So this was supposed to have been 2 days. It was supposed to be 1 day, like leisurely going to cafes and looking at the Pakistan monument. and Faisal Mosque, but we've packed it all in. But I would definitely do Taxila and the lake. I would do Taxila as a morning, starting at 9 o'clock though, when things are open, because we were there early before they were. But it also allowed us to fly the drone because no one was there to tell us not to. So maybe if you're gonna fly a drone, go early like we did. And then take a picnic lunch and do a picnic at the lake, because that was just beautiful. It's such a beautiful lake, just picturesque. So that is my recommendation. We're gonna go freshen up and get to the MONAL. Guys, okay, we've arrived to the MONAL restaurant, and instead of dining in the main dining area, which is beautiful, really beautiful, down here, but quite a lot of people, there is an exclusive restaurant within the MONAL called the Treehouse. This is where you want to be. There is a feeling of exclusivity and luxury to this particular area, because it's honestly just fewer tables, and it feels intimate, and it does feel like a treehouse. So that's quite fun. I have shot a bunch of the different tables. We're sat here on the cliff's edge, and unfortunately it's a little hazy / smoggy. So the view isn't fabulous here, but the view is beautiful looking at the treehouse and the MONAL. Oh, and one other thing. The cuisine here at the Treehouse is generally continental, but that's not interesting to me at all, or probably any foreign guests coming to Pakistan. So they will serve the Pakistani menu from the normal restaurant here at the Treehouse if you ask. They basically said, sure, why not? So that would be my recommendation.
Take my hand and walk beside